Welcome to this diaphragmatic breathing tutorial. I'm going to walk you through how to do this technique step by step. Diaphragmatic breathing, also known as belly breathing, is a simple yet powerful relaxation technique that can help reduce stress and anxiety. To start, find a comfortable seated position, either in a chair or on the floor. You want your posture to be upright but relaxed. Place one hand on your chest and the other hand on your belly. This will allow you to feel your breathing. As you inhale through your nose, feel your belly push outward against your hand. The hand on your chest should remain still, then exhale slowly through pursed lips, feeling the belly go in. Keep breathing like this, focusing on using your diaphragm to fill your belly on the inhalation and relax on the exhalation. Aim for 5 to 10 deep, slow breaths per minute. This slower breathing activates your relaxation response. As you continue this pattern, you may notice your heart rate slow down and your muscles relax. This is the calming effect of the parasympathetic nervous system kicking in. Be sure to exhale fully. This allows your lungs to fully empty before the next inhalation. If you find yourself getting dizzy, just return to normal breathing. With practice, you'll be able to take fuller, deeper belly breaths. The key points are keeping the chest still, only moving the belly, and breathing slowly but fully. Make diaphragmatic breathing part of your daily relaxation routine.